Hi, this is Howard to be the FAE in charge of the video conferencing product. So today I will show you the VB370A. First part is introduction, and second part will do the live demo using the VB370A with our control panel CP10 G2. So for first part is introduction. So this is the 4K dual lens video bar. And we have the top 8 features, dual lens design, and support up to the 4K resolution, and the Android-based video bar, and we also is the Zoom certificate video bar. And it provides the high quality audio and the video, and also support the various AI features. And also it can have the 2 HDMI port to support dual screen. And also it can compatible with different accessories. And this is appearance. So it's a dual lens video bar. So for the PTZ Zen camera, you can just support up to total zoom 18 times total zoom. And for the fixed camera, it can support up to 120-degree FOV. And as I said, you have 2 HDMI output ports, so you can connect 2 displays. And both displays we can support up to the 4K resolution. And it got the Zoom certification, so we can have the built-in Zoom system to let you implement the whole meeting room solution for the hybrid meeting room or for a hardware meeting room. And again, it's an Android-based video bar, so you don't need to have another PC or another NUC inside the meeting room. You just need this video bar. You can join the meeting very simple, very easy. And also we have our AVer CP10 G2, the touch panel. We can do the combination with our VB370A. So you just need one touch using our CP10 G2. We can just connect to the Zoom meeting. So it's easy to like one touch and you can start a meeting. And we also can expand one more speakerphone or one more microphone to let your meeting room more flexible. And we built in the 14 microphone array inside this video bar, so we can support high audio quality. And we also built in a lot of AI features for the audio part, so we can provide a high audio quality. And this is the various AI feature of AVer cameras, just like the smart composition, auto framing, audio tracking, beamforming technology, audio fence. This kind of the AI feature also you can use in VB370A. And VB370A is not only the video bar, it's a system. So we want to provide an all-in-one solution you can fit in different kinds of the meeting room. So once you purchase the package, the standard package, it will include the video bar, power adapter, HDMI cable, the remote control, and also for the wall mount and some the other accessory. But if you want to have the more optional accessories, we will have like the expansion speakerphone, expansion microphone. If you want to install under the TV, we will have the TV mount. And the most important, we have our own touch panel, CP10 G2. It's very easy to do the combination with our VB370A. And also the USB-C to C cable is very easy to do the combination with your PC. Okay, so it's introduction of the VB370A, this Android bar.
Hi everyone, this is Howard. So right now I just demonstration the VB370A with our CP10 G2, the touch panel here. So you can see here in the middle is an Android bar VB370A, and we connect the 2 HDMI to 2 display. One is big display and another one is small monitor. And on the video bar right hand side we have a 2 USB port, and 1 USB port we just connect to our AVer camera Cam130 here. Okay, and left hand side is CP10 G2. So CP10 G2 it can just pair to the VB370A. So we can focus on the CP10 G2. So once you enable the CP10 G2, you will see just like the application, the Android system, So first of all, you can click the zoom controller here. And we have already automatic to pair the zoom to the VB370A. So in this zoom controller, we can just start the meeting with the VB370A. So we can start the meeting here. And then you can see we have the two display and showing the camera view for the zoom meeting. So when we back to the controller here, you can see you have a various feature on this control panel. So the first feature here, you can see the switch camera. So when we click the switch camera, you will see the Cam 130 also show in here because it supports a multi-camera mode. So when we enable the Cam 130 here, and you will see the other display will show the Cam 130 camera view. So it means that we just in the one Zoom account, but we can show the two camera view for the one account. So you can see the big display. We just show the VB370A camera. And for the small camera Cam 130 here, we will just show it in a small monitor. Okay? And we're back to the control panel here to see the other feature. We have a camera control here. The camera control, we can just control the camera. So here we can just select different camera here. So you can see here we have the Cam 130. So when we click the Cam 130, you can do the pan view or zoom in, zoom out feature here. Okay, and if we focus on the VB370A, on the right hand corner here, we have the AI feature. So this 4 AI feature I will demonstration here. So first feature is speaker focus. Speaker focus. So when I enable the speaker focus, it will focus on the people who speaking in the meeting room. Okay, so I just enable this feature.
Okay, alright. Hey guys, this is O'Neil, and right now I will let the camera tracking on me. Camera task 1, 2, 3, please track on me. 1, 2, 3, track.
Okay, so you can see when I enable the speaker focus, because O'Neil is in the camera view, so it will just do the speaker focus to focus who is speaking in the meeting room. Okay, so when we're back to the control panel here. So the second feature is auto framing, and auto framing it will just automatically to frame the people who inside the meeting room to the suitable position. So we back to here, enable. And you'll see me and O'Neil, we just inside the meeting room, and the camera will just automatically to frame me and O'Neil to the suitable position. Okay, so this is auto framing. So when I move out, you can see the VB370 will just automatically to frame again to the focus on the participant who inside the meeting room. Okay, so the third feature here is multi-focus. Multi-focus is like the smart gallery, smart composition feature. It can capture every participant inside the meeting room to focus on their face. So we just click the feature here. Okay. And you can see, because this meeting room have me and O'Neil, we are in this meeting room, so it just separate me and O'Neil to the different framing here in one screen. Okay, it's just like the smart composition and smart gallery. Okay, so this is the multi-focus. And the last feature I want to show is, okay, we can see here, we also have a multi-stream feature. This feature is the same as the multi-focus, but quite different. It will just capture each participant to the different stream. It's just like you have a lot of account, but basically you just only use one Zunzun account. So when you enable this feature, you need to disable the multi-camera mode. So when I click here, you will see please disable the multi-camera. So I just confirm, and we see the result. And also you can see inside this meeting room only have Howard and O'Neill here. So when the camera capture the people, it will just automatically to do the calculation. So you'll see right now, it will show the three screens here. One is for the original view, and the other two we just separate me and O'Neill to different stream. So if you connect to this room meeting, you are in the remote side, you will see the three screen identity screen inside the Zoom meeting. Okay, so this is the multi-streaming. Okay, so we back to the menu here. Okay, so this is the basic feature for the Zunzun controller. The other, just like you can adjust the view for the different each display. It's just a basic feature. Okay, so we can end this meeting room. Okay, so this is the basic feature for Zunzun. And the best feature, we have another feature, it's called the Zunzun BYOD mode. Zunzun BYOD mode. So this one I need O'Neill give me the figure. So basically, on the back hand side of the port here, in the VB370A, we have the PC port, it's a Type-C port. And this port, we need to use the DP Type-C cable. Both sides is Type-C. And we can connect to the additional laptop. You can see, I just connect the Type-C cable to the normal laptop here, Type-C to Type-C. And then you can see the panel here. You can see the panel here. It will show the BYOD mode. And we can just click the start. And then you will see the laptop's display. The laptop monitor will just like stand to your display. Okay, and also when you use the PC, you can also use the VB370A camera and the speaker board. So it means that when you get into the one meeting room, you don't need to connect too many cable to control the VB370A and also extend the your display signal to the local monitor. Okay, you just need one Type-C cable connect to VB370A and enable the BYOD mode. Okay, and then I just disconnect. We back to the CP10 G2 here. For the CP10 G2, it's just not only for Zunzun controller. We also can use some feature here, just like we have a built-in Zunzun management application here. The other application just like a BYOD controller for Hub 30. But currently in this meeting we don't have Hub 30, so you cannot get inside to the user interface. But what I want to mention is CP10 G2 is not just the controller, because we can connect to different applications, just like the Zunzun management, Zunzun controller, BYOM controller, and in the future we also have like compatible with the MT300, MT100, so we will have like MT controller here. So this is the CP10 G2, the AVER touch panel. Okay. So thank you everybody. So this is the demonstration of the VB370A and the CP10 G2. Thank you.